Hey y'all, so I'm sure if you are seeing this at some point I put in an intro already, so let's just hop right into it. So I actually did nothing of the sort. I completely forgot. So here's a quick intro. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Karlisa. I do videos on entrepreneur content, hair, beauty, and fashion. So if you're into any of that kind of stuff, make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below. Today we will be doing a week in my life as an entrepreneur. So I hope you enjoy. So today is July 8th. It is currently 10:28 p.m. And yeah, basically y'all, I'm just coming alive. Let me not say I'm coming alive. I'm tired as hell. So basically y'all, I'm just getting started as far as working for my boutique. I am going to be packing a couple orders. I'm gonna show you guys my boutique's story right now. I've been taking polls on my story, just trying to see if, you know, my customers would be interested in me giving out content regarding like information on how to start their business and whether I should put it on my personal page. Posted a reel today, let my customers know they can post reviews. And yeah, I sold out a size large in my jumpsuit today. It's been a semi-productive day. I was doing a lot of work at like my actual job today, and then I got a box of inventory. Let me show y'all. Got a pack of inventory today. I opened up this one just to see what the material felt like because this is a different vendor than my original biker short vendor. Basically that vendor didn't have more colors and they also didn't have plus size. So as you can see here, I've got more of them. They're similar in quality but not exactly the same, but it's close enough, it'll work. So I'm gonna package these up tonight, y'all. I got plus size as well, so I know my customers are gonna be really happy about that. So once I found out my customers like the biker shorts, I was like, bet. And a couple people were asking for more colors. Of course, they was asking for plus size, so I had to find a different vendor. Finding a new vendor for that was a lot harder than it looked because some vendors didn't have the color I wanted, or they didn't have the particular size I wanted in the particular color. It was a lot going on, but I figured it out, y'all, and I'm glad that the quality is very similar to what I got originally, so that it won't be a big difference because I'm doing a lot of talking. We're gonna pack some orders and then I'm going to package up this inventory, quality check it, etc. Not gonna be able to put it on the site yet. I'm gonna try to, like, you know, warm my customers up a bit, let them know that not only will this be restocked, but I also have the plus size and I have a new color. So I just need a couple days to let my customers know that. I also need a plus size model to model the plus size as well. So hopefully that'll be in this vlog as well. I guess we'll make it like a week in my life kind of deal. So just stay tuned. I'm really excited now that I'm talking about it. So yeah, y'all, let's get to packaging these orders and this inventory. Ryan Little. Ryan Little. it too. Okay, dear friends, so today is the day of my impromptu photo shoot with my good friend Ime. Come on, friend, I'm recording. So we're about to go take some pictures of my new biker set. Maybe I'll get some footage when we're there. I don't know, but I will for sure put the photos into this video somewhere. So yeah, say hi, Ime. Hi. Ew, why does my wig look like this? Oh my god, hold on, y'all. Hey guys, so it is officially launch day. So y'all gonna be mad at me because I think the last time I picked up my camera was like Sunday. I don't even know. But it's been a pretty boring week, y'all. But it is the day of my biker set launch. It is 2:46 on Friday, July the 16th. So I've already launched the shorts, but there's a couple things I still need to do on the back end. Like I've already weighed the items and all that stuff. But just like a couple tweaks to like the bios and stuff like that. If you guys don't know, I do a fitting room Friday video every Friday to show people what one of the items from my boutique looks like up close and personal, and you know how to style it and all that good stuff. So yeah, I just filmed that. I'm about to go edit it real quick to post it because yeah, it's almost 3 o'clock, so I want to get that out as soon as possible. I hate posting late on Fridays, especially in the summer, like people are out and about. So I just filmed that. And then I'm gonna tweak the bios a little bit. I got a couple orders so far, but I gotta keep posting to keep the momentum up and remind people that they are launched. People are just not on IG like that today, you know? And this is why I hate launching on Fridays. But I had to because it was such short notice. I needed to give people time to know what was going on. So as of right now, I literally have 2 orders and we have made $54.41 so far, and I believe that includes shipping. So yeah, so this is how launch day is going so far. Light start, but that's okay. I know I can pick it up. I just got to start posting more, which is what we're about to do with this IGTV. Okay guys, so it is officially 11:54. Let me show y'all. It is officially 11:54 p.m. and I had a lot of running around to do, so I was not able to film everything. So I wasn't able to film because I had to run to the mall and all that kind of stuff, and then I took a break because I was tired, and I just finished filming a video. So yeah, if you're interested in this unit, I'll link it right here. So guys, what I'm gonna do right now is package the orders that I've gotten so far. So for launch day, I got 5 orders today, so I'm just gonna package those really quick just so that everybody can get their shipping labels, and then I'm going to try to ship them out before I run out to my event tomorrow. I have to be up at the crack of dawn, so I don't really know. I did want to film this part now because there's going to be a lot of noise once I leave this room. So yeah guys, oh my god, you can kind of hear that I'm tired in my voice, but I'm gonna go ahead and package these orders real quick and allow you guys to watch. Hey guys, so it is Monday, and yeah, basically I went to enjoy my weekend. I had family events, family birthdays over the weekend and stuff like that, but I did get a couple more orders even though I was not promoting. So yeah, here's my beautiful Pretty and Paid bag, and yeah, and then there's an extra order on the seat because it was too big to fit in the bag. So I'm also wearing my biker short set for the first time, y'all, and let me say, this thing is so comfy. Like, I knew it was comfy from when I had my photo shoot, but like, ugh, it just gets me every single time. I absolutely love this biker short set. So yeah, go shop if you haven't already, because these sets are going super fast, and I can see why. Okay, they are just heavenly. As you guys can see, I'm at the post office. The logo's right back there, honey. But I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for staying to the end. Let me know if you guys want more weekly vlogs in my life as an entrepreneur. And yeah, I really had fun doing this one, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.